On auscultation of the heart, tachycardia may be the only finding. However, S3 and S4 are also common findings in heart failure. Depending on the cause, you may also hear murmurs. For example, when we see a case of myocardial infarction causing valvular pathology, we'll hear this. For mitral regurgitation, a holosystolic murmur heard best at the apex. Listen. And here we have the aortic regurgitation, a high-pitched and early diastolic murmur heard best at the left sternal border. Listen on. Okay, anatomist, I have a question for you. Could you tell me where the herbs point is located? Comment your answer below.